your daddy. Too much money, oh. I like it, nani koshabo. My yo.
Hello my beautiful people, welcome to Naija Daughter Tv. If today is the first time of coming across my YouTube channel, do well to join this beautiful family. If you like what I do, I hope you just enjoy that dance. If I add that, yes, I hope you enjoy that dance. Okay, my people, first of all, let's go straight to Rigade Lava. Now who they Zuzu? This my brother. Hey, you vibe there. Hey. If you go fit borrow me for some small, I go for like my brother. If you fit borrow me small, for good or more news. Let's watch about our papa, our new president. President-elect. No, they already put out for this thing. It already did there. There is this guy, this man, this our uncle. When he win through obedient party, I don't know what he win. Whether now, I don't know again. I don't know. Me, I not go lie. He win through Labour Party. Then after our president, what they call him, Tinubu, Balabu, he said when the man speak finish, my people. Hey, now who did it? Not by mouth for here. Maybe we wash our bed. Obedience and APC and PDP. Let's watch this our brother together. Then drop your own opinion in the comment section. Let's go there.
Obi coming, obedient coming. Oh, internet now. Okashifa ya iteje nyangana. Iteje tuwege. Okay. And they my obedient people they run jiki jaka. Hey, so they carry stone, so they carry wood, so they carry bottle. They say today they go kill this man. Say this guy is munuya. Where did it happen? He said this guy will pass through Labour Party, enter as House of Rep. He said Tinubu just called them, they come as rock. As the guy reached as rock, he brain shift. The guy could look up, the waka, I say, Jesus, where is this? From there, as they sit down, where Tinubu can start to talk. He think he say, we hear Balablu, Tao, where Tinubu can speak. He confirm he say Obama they talk. The guy got confused. He won't come fall in love with Tinubu. Tinubu can say, oh yeah, now man when ganyo. Because they look Tinubu like this. Tinubu say got confused. As the guy come and say, I got to find newsmen. He said, come on, interview me. They say, how far was the meeting? He said it was so shocked. They tell us that Tinubu is so intelligent and smart and he speak well. He said the man has person to work with. He said never knows that Tinubu gets sense. He said Tinubu the young. He said the thing they touch your heart. He tell us that Tinubu no book like this. He said he go say a lie. He said if you have a lie,
right, Honorable. Your name, please.
My name is Honorable Amobi Godwin Oga, member-elect to represent the good people of Isukwato and Omunochi Federal Constituency. I'm from Abia State.
Thank you very much. How do you describe this meeting between the President and the incoming members of the 10th Assembly? Briefly.
Well, I can tell you that today is my best day. Today, I'm so happy that I'm an elected member, seeing my President talking. In fact, I have never knew that this man is so intelligent. I have never knew that this man is so prepared to serve this country. I saw the love, I saw the character, I saw the charisma, the belief that Nigeria can be a better nation. So I am so glad that what meeting we have today is going to take us a little bit to a more stabilized house. And I'm telling you, as at now, even without talking to us again, we have agreed that we are going towards the government decision. Not minding I'm of Labour Party. As at now, the party is not the issue. We are talking about building the nation. We are talking about the unity of Nigeria.
I think you not here.
As Obina, I don't know, so one down. This one obedient too. Because anytime I read news here, I say, oh, they don't pay me, Tinubu don't pay me. This one on obedience, I talk as
My people, this guy, if I watch and I also laugh at the laugh, sometimes, hey, my people, I hope you're not here. The reason why I bring this news come, you understand? Because when politics they happen, when you talk, some people maybe you not follow their, or it will be like say, For me, it's just too quiet. Mostly politics or anything, social media, and you be social media person and you don't want, you just need to withdraw. First of all, for me, I talk and say, now because of this, our papa, Tinubu don't owe. That is why we say, oh, normal, a lot. Things when this man don't do for Nigeria, a lot today. Now, not be any other person now. He see what this our papa, our daddy, he talk. Now, obedient, LOP. Now he come outside and talk. Then the main purpose of me bringing this video is not be about party. We need betterment of Nigeria. We need the change from Nigeria. Not be just now. Not be say the man will enter now. They say where the change. A house not just built in one day. Now small. Nigeria get a lot of things to do. Yes, Nigeria get a lot of things to do. As this our uncle, our brother now, obedience, LOP, when enter there, he don't confirm her to us. There's some people there now when they don't insult her. Yes, some obedience. Why? The reason purpose of forming obedient now because of betterment of Nigeria. Not just because now because of change of Nigeria. If now your worst enemy will fit change our Nigeria, let's open door and let love lead and let's unite. Let us wait till we take the throw this. Let's stop it. Let's give this our papa. When one of our brother don't confirm, say anything he don't talk, he the obedient, he don't sign up. Then we the outsider, let's sign and let's put it in God's hand. May our country still become a better country so that when we still run come off our country, we'll still go back home. Yes. I know that some people see the other country like America, they from America, they Nigeria, America. But just come rapper like this. As this our brother now, our brother when they represent one thing from East. Our brother now when they don't confirm and now say, he think say this man, this our papa, yes, now our papa, he owed to give back to. I call him dad, I call him my president, I call him papa. Yes, it's our president, whether we like it or not, it's already put on there. Okay, what we go do now for us to come as our brother now when he be obedience, when he enter with obedience, he don't tell all the obedience outside, say, let's unite and let's pray to God for the betterment of Nigeria. Let's hope and let's watch them to do the job. Okay, let's stop the hate, let's stop the fight, let's stop. If you still a fight, you dey out there. It makes say no be the betterment of Nigeria you want. Maybe you get another thing. But if you mean betterment of Nigeria, let's leave everything for God. And let's give this our papa when they put there. Let's give him chance. So that let's see the thing when this our brother obedient say, in fact, he's so intelligent. Let's see the intelligence when he go give us. But I still wonder when they say he just enter. No fuel. That one cause it shortalize me. Where, as I first say talk, a house not built by one day. It still take long. This France when me date to do and they say, if my country can be like this, if France person open mouth, tell you how France be at 35 years ago, you will not believe me. If France person tell you say when they give birth to her, when now she don't be 30, I be 34, now house therefore they give birth. No hospital. If they open France story, when me day today, they chant it and they see lights. If they tell you, you will not say, we the Nigeria, we are still trying. My people, as our uncle, our brother, when he go represent LOP 71, LOP, Obi, Teleinte, Obi one name, he say, they will give our papa, our daddy, chance, say, he speak well. For him, he not get anything. Anything when he say, me, if he will say, jump inside the river, he will jump inside the river. And this I just say, I tell you now, okay? Let's unite, let's pray to God, and let's hope in betterment in Nigeria. One day, our Nigeria will become great. Naija! I love Nigeria. Nigeria area. I love Nigeria. Nigeria area. I love Nigeria. Nigeria area. Nigeria is the name of my country. Area! They say Tinubu, Bola boom. They say they do well. They say maybe we give him a chance, so let's give him a chance. Okay. Now who did there? Now who they calavante? When I want to publish this video, I get one video of Suleiman, never see publication. My people, they working. Rexani. If you follow me on Facebook, please subscribe. In the name of Jesus, everybody go to breakfast. To go bow for the result, nothing to
to discuss, cause I they win by default and without any doubt.